Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT pickup. On the outside you have heated and power door mirrors, a rear step bumper, and a rear backup camera. Inside you'll find comfortable cloth seating for 5, illuminated entry, and remote keyless entry. We have Bluetooth technology that'll keep you connected on the go. This 2014 Chevrolet Silverado has less than 69,000 miles and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.